Hello, we are going to be continuing talking about math with addition and subtraction. Today we have a task where we're going to be looking at some problems and then comparing them at the end. Our learning target says I can represent addition and subtraction in different ways. So you can use your different ways that you would like to show your thinking. Let's get started. Our first problem says Ben has 4 pink seashells in his bucket. He has 1 black seashell in his pocket. How many seashells does Ben have? I'm going to read it again, then you're going to have your private think time. It says Ben has 4 pink seashells in his bucket. He has 1 black seashell in his pocket. How many seashells does Ben have? Go ahead and take a moment of private think time and solve. All right, let's talk about it. So first it said that Ben had 4 pink seashells. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says that he has 1 black seashell. So 1. And then it wants to know how many Ben has in all. So that means that we have to look at all of them. We have to count them all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. If I wanted to represent this problem, is it going to be an addition or a subtraction problem? Right, it's an addition. So if I were going to write an equation, I would write my 4, then my plus sign for addition, 1, which would make 5. Great job. Let's look at the next part of the problem. This one says Jordan has 1 pink seashell in her bucket and 4 black seashells in her pocket. How many seashells does Jordan have? You're going to solve this problem. Let me read it again. Jordan has 1 pink seashell in her bucket. She has 4 black seashells in her pocket. How many seashells does Jordan have? All right, let's talk it out. First, let's think, is it an addition or a subtraction problem? Right, it is an addition problem because we're trying to figure out how many seashells that Jordan has in all. Okay, so let's first get started. How many shells does she have in her bucket? Right, she has 1. And then how many does she have in her pocket? She has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So since it's an addition problem, we don't have to cross anything out. We're going to count up how many we have in all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. So if I wanted to write an equation, what could it look like? What would it say? Right, I would have 1 plus 4 equals 5. Awesome. All right, now I want to do an extension onto this problem. It says that Ben, because remember Ben had 5 seashells and Jordan had 5. Ben thinks he has more seashells than Jordan. Does Ben have more seashells? How do you know? Right, Ben doesn't have more. Ben and Jordan have the exact same amount, so they are equal. They are the same. They both have 5. No one has more and no one has less. Great job learning today, friends. You rocked it, and I will see you later.